1. Salmon. Not all fish are made equivalent. Salmon, and different sorts of greasy fish, contain the most elevated measure of omega-3 unsaturated fats. Omega-3s are critical for the ideal capacity of your body. They are connected to improved prosperity and decreased dangers of numerous genuine infections. Albeit salmon is profoundly esteemed for its valuable unsaturated fat recipe, it additionally contains a gigantic measure of different supplements. A 100-gram serving of wild salmon contains 2.8 grams of omega-3, alongside a lot of top-notch creature protein, nutrients and minerals, including a lot of magnesium, potassium, selenium, and B nutrients. It is a smart thought to eat greasy fish in any event on more than one occasion per week to get all the omega-3s your body needs. Studies show that individuals who eat sleek fish routinely have a lower hazard of coronary illness, dementia, sorrow, and numerous other normal sicknesses. Likewise, salmon preference is great and is genuinely simple to plan. It likewise causes you to feel full with moderately couple of calories. In the event that you can, pick wild salmon as opposed to cultivated. It is more nutritious, has a superior proportion of omega-6 to omega-3 and is less inclined to contain toxins. 2. Kale. Of the relative multitude of solid verdant greens, cabbage is the lord. Plentiful in nutrients, minerals, fiber, cell reinforcements and different bioactive mixtures. A 100-gram serving of turnip contains nutrient C, 200%, nutrient A, 300%, nutrient K1, 1000%, a lot of nutrient B6, potassium, calcium, magnesium, copper, and manganese. A similar sum contains 2 grams of fiber, 3 grams of protein, and just 50 calories. Kale might be more grounded than spinach. Both are extremely nutritious, however kale contains less oxalate, which are substances that can tie minerals like calcium in the digestive tract, forestalling their ingestion. Kale and different vegetables are additionally high in a few bioactive mixtures, including isothiocyanate and indole-3-carbonyl, which have been appeared to battle malignancy in test cylinders and creature examines. 3. Kelp. The ocean is something beyond fish. It additionally contains enormous measures of plants. There are a large number of various plant species in the sea, some of them exceptionally nutritious. Generally, it is alluded to altogether as kelp. Ocean growth is well known in dishes like sushi. Numerous sushi dishes likewise incorporate a kind of ocean growth known as nori, which is utilized as an eatable wrapping. As a rule, kelp is more nutritious than wild vegetables. It is high in minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium and manganese. It is additionally stacked with a few bioactive mixtures, including phycocyanin and carotenoids. A portion of these substances are cell reinforcements with incredible calming abilities. Be that as it may, ocean growth truly radiates through in its high substance of iodine, a mineral your body uses to create thyroid chemicals. Simply eating ocean growth that is high in iodine like kelp a few times each month can give your body all the iodine it needs. In the event that you don't care for the flavor of kelp, you can likewise take it in supplement structure. Dried kelp tablets are modest and stacked with iodine. 4. Garlic. Garlic is a truly extraordinary fixing. In addition to the fact that it makes a wide range of tasty dishes that are heavenly, yet it is likewise extremely nutritious. It is high in nutrients C, B1, and B6, calcium, potassium, copper, manganese, and selenium. Garlic is additionally high in advantageous sulfur intensifiers like allicin. A few investigations show that allicin and garlic may bring down pulse just as LDL cholesterol. It additionally raises the great cholesterol, which persistently lessens the danger of coronary illness. It likewise has various properties in battling malignant growth. Studies show that individuals who eat a ton of garlic have a much lower hazard of creating numerous normal kinds of malignancy, particularly colon and stomach disease. Crude garlic likewise has extraordinary enemy of bacterial and against parasitic properties. 5. Clams. Numerous ocean creatures are high in supplements, however shellfish might be among the most nutritious creatures ever. Sorts of shellfish that are regularly devoured incorporate clams, scallops, and mussels. Shellfish are among the best wellsprings of nutrient B12 in presence, with 100 grams of clams giving in excess of multiple times the day-by-day suggested sum. It is additionally plentiful in nutrient C, different B nutrients, potassium, selenium, and iron. Clams are additionally nutritious. In spite of the fact that shellfish are among the most nutritious food sources on the planet, the vast majority infrequently devour them. 6. Potatoes. One huge potato is high in potassium, magnesium, iron, copper, and manganese. It likewise contains nutrient C and the majority of the B nutrients. It contains pretty much every supplement you need. There are records of individuals living on only potatoes for quite a while. It is additionally quite possibly the most filling food sources. At the point when the analysts looked at the satiety estimation of the various food sources, bubbled potatoes scored higher than some other food estimated. In the event that you permit potatoes to cool subsequent to cooking, it additionally shapes safe starch, a fiber-like substance that has a few amazing well-being benefits. 7. The liver. People and our removed progenitors have been eating creatures for a long period of time. In any case, the advanced Western eating regimen has focused on muscle meat over organ meats. Contrasted with organs, muscle meat is healthfully poor. Of the multitude of organs, the liver is the most nutritious. The liver is an awesome organ with many capacities identified with digestion. One of its capacities is to store supplements that are significant for the remainder of the body. A 100-gram bit of meat liver contains nutrient B5, vitamin B6, niacin and folic acid, more than half of the DV. Nutrient B2, vitamin A, copper. Iron, phosphorus, zinc and selenium, over 30% of the DV. Great creature protein, 29 grams. Eating liver once 7 days is a decent method to guarantee you are getting the ideal measures of these fundamental supplements. 8. Sardines. Sardines are little, sleek fish that can be eaten entirety. Given that organs are typically the most nutritious piece of a creature, it isn't astonishing that entire sardines are very nutritious. They contain little of pretty much every supplement your body needs and are healthfully great. Like other greasy fish, it is additionally high in heart-solid omega-3 unsaturated fats. 9. Blueberries. With regards to the healthy benefit of organic product, blueberries are in their very own position. In spite of the fact that they are not as high in calories in nutrients and minerals as vegetables, they are likewise loaded with cell reinforcements. It's stacked with amazing cancer prevention agents, including anthocyanins and different other plant compounds, some of which can cross the blood-mind hindrance and apply defensive consequences for your cerebrum. A few examinations have inspected the well-being impacts of blueberries in people. One examination found that blueberries improve memory in the older. Another investigation tracked down that hefty people with metabolic condition had lower pulse and lower markers of unsafe oxidized cholesterol when they added blueberries to their eating routine. This finding is in accordance with considers that have shown that blueberries increment the cell reinforcement esteem in your blood. A few test cylinder and creature concentrates additionally show that blueberries can help battle malignancy. 10. Egg yolk. The egg yolk has been unreasonably denatured because of its cholesterol content. Nonetheless, considers show that dietary cholesterol isn't something you by and large need to stress over. Eating moderate measures of cholesterol doesn't bring unsafe cholesterol up in the blood. In this manner, egg yolks are quite possibly the most nutritious food sources on Earth. Entire eggs are nutritious to such an extent that they are once in a while alluded to as nature's multivitamins. Egg yolks are stacked with nutrients, minerals, and different amazing supplements, including choline. It is wealthy in lutein and zeaxanthin, cell reinforcements that can ensure your eyes and diminish the danger of eye illnesses like waterfalls and macular degeneration. Eggs likewise contain great protein and sound fats. They are additionally modest, scrumptious, and simple to get ready. 11. Dull chocolate, cocoa. Dull chocolate that is high in cocoa is quite possibly the most nutritious food sources you can eat. Wealthy in fiber, iron, magnesium, copper and manganese. Yet, its greatest advantage is its astounding cluster of cancer prevention agents. Truth be told, an investigation showed that cocoa and dim chocolate had a higher record of cancer prevention agents than some other food tried, including blueberries and acai berries. Numerous examinations in people have shown that dim chocolate has incredible medical advantages, including improving bloodstream, bringing down circulatory strain, lessening oxidative pressure, and improving cerebrum work. One investigation found that individuals who ate chocolate in excess of 5 times each week had a lower hazard of creating coronary illness. Since coronary illness is the most well-known reason for death around the world, this finding could have suggestions for a great many individuals. Make a point to get dull chocolate with in any event 70% cocoa. The best ones contain 85% cocoa or higher. Eating a little square of top-notch dim chocolate consistently might be perhaps the most ideal approaches to enhance your eating regimen with additional cancer prevention agents.